Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you use Green Dot Prepaid Visa Debit Card. To use the Green Dot Prepaid Visa Debit Card, you need to follow these steps. So first thing, you want to open up your browser and type in a green dot.com or green dot.com/hub center or maybe use your card. I'll make sure to drop it on my description box as well, the link. So this is going to take you to their official page, right? So you could go and click on open an account. So basically, to use a Green Dot prepaid Visa card, first you'll need to purchase the card at a retailer's location and then activate it online. So once activated, you could load money onto the card and use it to make purchase anywhere Visa debit card are accepted. You could also use it for a direct deposit, bill payment, and even access high-yielding savings account or money vault through the Green Dot mobile app. If you want to activate the card, you want to go to this link and click on activate your card from the top right corner of your screen. Follow the on-screen prompt and you'll have successfully activated, and now you're all set to use. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.